Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the anime parents filter on Instagram. Really easy and simple to get, just takes about a minute. So all you have to do is head over to your Instagram application and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to click on the search tab at the bottom and just over to the search bar, and you want to search for an account called manu_ace1. So MANU_ace1. And then you'll see this account right here. Just click on the account and head over to the filters. And if you scroll down, you'll see the anime parents filter right here. So you just go ahead and click on it, and you'll have two options to either try it out here or save it to your camera roll. So you can go ahead and save it to your camera roll, and then you'll be able to use it whenever you would like on your phones. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.